Hello, chat, and welcome to the 12-hour stream. Hopefully, we'll actually be able to do the full duration this time and not, get too tired. But I think I planned this better so that 12 hours is a little bit more doable than 24, and the time frame will be more realistic to the normal hours that I'm awake. So we'll hopefully be able to get. Let me see what we've got here. Get. Actually, do this. And get checkout master. What was this here? Time left. Okay, so it looks like we need to update these things. Downtime. That's funny. Get rebase dash I origin master. And instead of sarcastic Dante, today it is rollerss. Is it with an underscore at the end? No, it's two S's. Rollerss. And this is 12 hour, not 24 hour, and time left. When is our endpoint? So the last one we did was on August 2nd, so now we're on September 12th. 9/9/12, and the end time will be at the 20th hour? 22nd hour? I don't know, we'll try and see what it does. Temporary command for the 12-hour stream. Get branch. Oh no, not a conflict. Okay. Put Kevin. We can put Kevin here as well. Okay, that looks good. Let's restart the bot and see what we've got here. So if we do time left, it should be 11 hours and 45-ish minutes. Okay, Catherine. The dumb engineer says, how do you resolve merge conflicts? I hate these tools like kdiff, always prefer to do it manually. I always do it manually. The thing is, I usually get confused with merge conflicts because depending on whether you're rebasing or merging, they show up backwards. This really, really bothers me. Let me see if I can get you an example. I should really do a video on this at some point. Video idea merge conflict resolution. Yes. Hey, what's up with ya boy Scaramouche? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream, and hopefully you're doing the Fandango or whatever you do, ya boy Scaramouche. But let's see, get init y. The world. Initial commit. Initial commit. Git clone y to z. Git checkout y origin / master -b features. We're gonna make a feature branch, and we're gonna make a commit here, which changes this to oh hi world. Oh hi. And we gotta trigger a conflict. Oh hi. So on master, we're gonna add a bang. Actually, no, we'll be on brand here. Oops. We'll be on brand here. That's gonna be our modification. Be more on brand. We can't have bangs and commit messages unless they are hard quotes. And if we cd to z, so there's two ways that we're gonna end up in a conflict here. One is either by pulling, and the other is by rebasing. If we do get pull, which is going to do a fetch and then a merge, you'll see that my text is on top and upstream is on bottom. But if we do get pull rebase, now upstream's text is on top and my text is on bottom. I really hate this. It really annoys me because it should be consistent, but it's not. But yeah, I always have to like double check and like see, oh, is this the upstream or is this the upstream? And then, you know, I usually just manually resolve this. So let's say we wanted to take the unbrand thing, but also change the word. We would do that, and then git rebase -- continue. I can actually, I know the last time I had ice cream because, for whatever reason, whenever Juice and I get into an argument, we usually resolve it by going to get ice cream. So we haven't had an argument in a while, so I haven't had ice cream in a while. So that's how I know when I've had ice cream. Okay. Talks, Devin. Okay, so first I want to show the bug. I think the bug is going to be the same as the PyCode style bug, because Flake8 re-implements how the how PyCode style does its linting, because at one point they were the same and then they kind of worked off from each other. Gil says, though I actually don't miss it. I used to eat those big McLarge huge things of ice cream every day, like 2,400 calories. Oh, that's a lot of calories. RJ says, if it was me, I would get into arguments a lot. I would argue just to get ice cream. So when I say argument here, I mean fight. And you don't really want to get into fights, even though they... While. RKJ says, can you quickly explain the distutils setuptools discussion? Yes. So the funny thing about distutils and setuptools is there's a very, very long history of Python packaging and how that infrastructure has lived. If I recall correctly, granted, a lot of this is before I started working on Python stuff, so I don't quite have a full picture of it. But from what I understand is there used to be this project called Distribute. And it was outside of the Python standard library, and it was essentially the setuptools before setuptools was a thing. And Distribute was, you know, the basics of what distutils ended up being. At some point, Distribute was, you know, finalized enough and was merged into the standard library. And so that's when distutils became a thing. And as soon as it was merged into the standard library, they realized that this was kind of a problem because it was really hard to upgrade and change distutils to be better. And CPython had a much different like backwards compatibility process and support there. Partially in that like the standard library needed to support really, really old versions of Python long after those versions of Python had been, you know, dead or whatever. And so, as I say, for some modules that get stuck in the standard library, is distutils was stranded in the standard library. It couldn't improve fast enough to keep up with the packaging ecosystem, and, you know, it kind of languished. And so, at some point, the packaging people, mostly the people working on pip and such, took distutils and forked it out of the standard library to setuptools. And setuptools was allowed to, you know, make progression without being bound to the way the standard library does, you know, all sorts of slow, methodical, you know, 15 to 20-year-old support, you know, approach to things. Yes, Juicebox is here. Juicebox Zero is here. About this. Mel just walked in the door. But yeah, and so setuptools forked out from that, and distutils, you know, necessarily languished. Are you okay?
Hi.
Did you just hit the door?
I have to repark.
Oh no, why?
I'm gonna need it.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Hello. But yeah, and since distutils languished, the plan is to delete distutils and completely, you know, require setuptools moving forward. So, you know, back and forth, forking and unforking, and eventual resolution with the original solution, which works better.
And they're here. There's the Iron
Is this
Man.
one safe for stream?
Yeah, it's Iron Man.
It's got nipples.
It's got iron nipples.
it's got nipples.
The iron nipples.
Is this safe for stream? Is this safe for stream?
Okay, there's option number 1.
Okay.
And here's option number 2.
These are great.
Okay.
Wait, I could do the little hair thingy that Chad always... Let's see if I can get it to curl again.
Are you ready for
There you go. Is that the
option?
Superman? Are we good there?
I think the best option.
I think they're gonna vote on nipples. Oh no, they're gonna vote on this one.
Are they?
This one for sure. This one for sure. Boobs or nipples? I think we know what wins.
Really? Your chat.
Oh no.
That's on your end then.
I see.
Because I can see a preview of my secondary monitor.
Okay. So,
Where's your capture card software?
I don't know. I just plugged it in plug and play. I didn't have any special software for it. Can you try unplugging the? It's at the bottom, and then plugging it back in. Maybe that will fix it. It should be input. Okay, so it shows no signal right now. It could be that the HDMI cable is bad, which would be a problem. You want to try plugging it into my laptop and see what happens there? All right, give me a sec, chat. We're gonna. All right, so we got one thing out of the way. Let's do what we work on today. One thing that I want to do is make my bot a little bit easier to write tests for, and it has no tests right now. So I think that would be kind of cool. Like I want to be able to do python bot.py, test commands, bonk, for instance. And I would like that to be able to, run this command, not actually spin up the whole bot, and just kind of. Yeah, I haven't put the audio onto that one. Yeah, sorry. Okay, but what she said is we'll fix the sound. That shouldn't be too hard to fix. But basically what this is so dumb. The output from her computer is not working with my HDMI cable for some reason. So what she did instead is plugged in the output of her computer into the input of her capture card, and then the output of her capture card into my computer. So we've got like a daisy chain loop of capture cards in order to get this working. So that'll work. That should. Oh my god, that's the dumbest thing ever. Sorry, we were testing our AV setup for what we're doing later. Type stir 1244. Right, this one's backwards. Which means the bot is also still broken. See if it's unbroken now. Yeah, it is good. Yes. Okay, this is what I wanted to get working. So now I can type things into this without actually running them in Twitch chat. So if I did like test, I don't know, what is the video thing? Explains, I don't know, Python 3. Cool. So I can kind of see the response there. That's what I wanted to get working. All right, cross your fingers, chat. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are we ready for this? All right, say something. Can you guys hear her, chat? I already know the answer. No audio. Let me turn it up.
No way, that's true. Yeah, let's try music.
Okay, because I can definitely see your audio. Can you talk again?
Hello. My name is.
We can hear her now? It's working!
It's working? You can hear
Okay.
me?
Yeah, what terrible nonsense did you Alright. I'm gonna draw what's going on here because it's that complicated. So we have two systems in this world here. We've got both of the systems have a capture card on them. This one is going to be Juice's computer, and this one is going to be me. And then orange squares are going to be capture cards. So these are capture cards. And fortunately, both of our capture cards have both an input and an output. Input and output. And both of our computers also have dedicated graphics cards. So graphics card graphics card. Hi. Oh, I was talking too loud, so she shut my door. So they both have graphics cards, which are these green blobs here. And we have outputs on graphics cards. Fortunately, mine, we're not using the output on my graphics cards. Roller says which one is sucking and which one is blowing. Yeah, there's a good long argument about that on the last stream. Okay, so what's happening right now? I should label which ones are inputs and outputs. Oops, stay black. Outputs are going to be red and inputs are going to be yellow. So this is going to be, oh, that's going to be unreadable. In, and red is going to be out. Okay. So the fuckery that's happening right now is we have taken, wait, this is input? Yeah. We've taken a cable from Juice's output and hooked it up to her input. So there's one cable going from there to there, and then we've hooked up Juice's output to my input, Juice's capture card output to my input. And so this is what's happening on the cables. This is like a 1-foot cable. This is a 35-foot HDMI cable. What should be able to happen is just this. This is what we were trying to do initially. This would have been the easy, correct way to do this. But instead, we're daisy chaining through the capture card. And then this complicates things on Juice's side because she has two audio outputs and 2 audio inputs. So, I don't even know how to draw this. But the messed up part is like she's inputting from her microphone, and that has to output through her graphics card, and then it has to input through the capture card, and then output through the capture card. But it needs to make sure that it doesn't output doubled, because it should input twice and then only output once. And so we're skipping, the audio is skipping this hop and just going straight through this here. So, or at least I think that's what's happening. And for some reason, when we just did the original going, and this is getting that set up. Okay, so let me show you something that's kind of annoying right now and that I do super manually. I have this README for my YouTube playlist. And every time I post a new video to this playlist, I manually click this button, then I click this button, then I open up this dialog here, I scroll all the way to the bottom, I right-click on this video, and then I go back over to here, and then I scroll to the bottom, I make a new entry here, I paste the URL, then I manually type out the video URL, and then I put a bracket around here and remove this here. So I do a whole bunch of work just to maintain this silly list here. And what I want to do is make a script which will automatically update this for me. So that's what we're going to try and work on.
Here with that. It's empty.
Okay, chat. Let's look at what food we got today. Borimori says this is exciting, but I don't know what's going on. We're eating lunch because this is a long stream, so we're gonna be eating food. No food make Anthony work. Kobe9 says, who is she? That's Juicebox Hero. She's my girlfriend. Oh, do I not have myself muted over here? But if you do bang girlfriend, bang girlfriend, yeah, there we go. Then you can check out her stream. She is Twitch staff and streams on. You mean you don't want me to tell people that you stream? Oh, well. Anyway. What's wrong with that? It's in your profile. They gave us so much hummus today. Oh no. Okay, we have way too much food. Okay, so let me show you. So, we got falafel appetizer, which usually it only comes with 1 hummus, but for some reason today it came with 2, and we have 2 of those. So we have too many hummus. And we also have garlic fries here, which are going to be delicious. They smell so good. The whole house smells like garlic fries. Oh my god, my eyes are so blue on this camera. It's like unsettlingly blue. And then if that wasn't enough hummus, which it definitely, that's definitely too much hummus. We have more hummus. And then we have dolma, which are grape leaves and what is the sauce called? But yeah, too much food. Does she code? So she is a product manager technical. Is that right? PMT?
Senior product manager?
Oh, senior product manager technical. Soon to be principal product manager technical.
Why do we have so much food?
there's more too.
Back in my day, you fixed the waste in the Photoshop until the fucking radiator behind you started to bend. Is that what you did today?
Yeah, you gotta make your waist look good.
I think people are too obsessed with shit like that.
On personal image and making things look skinny.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
First of all, I don't think like super skinny is even in right now. It's a thick.
You think the dad bod is the?
Well, no, I think like have you seen the wet ass pussy video?
I've actually not seen the wet ass pussy video.
They redefined the definition of thick.
Is it like to a whole new bulbous level?
You have to enable wrap text to see how thick it is. It keeps going. The C's go on to the next line. How did you first get into coding?
Some of the first code that I wrote was cheating on math homework. I automated a quadratic formula on my calculator and then like gave that code to other people that had my calculator. But I realized that you couldn't really distribute calculator code to people who didn't have a fancy TI-83 Plus or TI-84 Plus. Mm-hmm. And so I wrote a Microsoft Word document with VB script macros in it, and we distributed the Word document on floppy disks, so that other people could cheat on math homework.
In case that question was for me, I got into coding because I wanted to make my MySpace page look pretty. Yeah.
Got your MySpace page all totally pimped out.
Mm-hmm.
Got other content there though. We need to split freaking science and technology from all the live animals and weed streams. Yeah.
First of all,
Juice really likes the ducks.
I like the ducks.
Fuck the ducks.
I'm proud to be in the same category as the ducks. Have you seen the ducks? Have you fed the ducks? Have you fed the ducks?
You can feed the ducks?
You can feed the ducks with like 50 bits.
Is there code for that?
Yeah,
is it open source?
I don't know.
Do they work on it on stream?
They actually kind of use some kind of cool Bitcoin-backed API of some sort. It's really confusing. You should look at it. It was like an API that was originally built for Bitcoin transactions that they used. And
then they were like, fuck it, we're going to feed ducks?
Yeah. Yeah. That's actually what it is.
100%?
100%.
One for free. So you can see that she's chilling there. Chilling there, looking at her phone. Hi, Juice! Actually, let's do the short links, and I will just do one commit which replaces all of those. Okay, so we can replace ampersand index equals back d plus with nothing. So we can just get rid of all of those. Diff, word diff. Word diff is real pro tip if you haven't seen this before. Also, it didn't work. Why didn't you work? Oh, I guess because there's no spaces, so it doesn't treat this as a word. But yeah, we removed the index there. Oh, there's a way you can do different word characters, right? Word diff regex. Word diff regex. Well, that didn't work. There we go. Anyway, this shows the diff here. So I just removed index print file equals. But I kind of like this better. Hey, these are the diffs that it makes, which is good. Automatically populate YouTube playlist. Read me. Read me. Do you think Juice is still fixing her keyboard? I'm actually kind of curious. Oh, she's cuddling with Lola. Oh no. All right, are we ready to do this?
I guess.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah, let's start with 2.
Okay, I'm ready.
No.
2. Ah, there's 1. Okay.
Yeah, that one down there.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh, we can also just jump over this.
I'm pressing the button! Oh. I see. Now I'm on this side.
Where? What?
I'm just on like a totally different part of the map now.
Oh. Did you launch too high?
Yeah, I launched way too high. I didn't hit the button at all.
Okay, I'm gonna try and hit the button. Okay,
No.
I can hit the button. What does the button do?
Okay, hit the button again.
Okay. Did you see what it did?
Yeah, it throws the cube upward. Oh, I fucking see. Okay, wait. Come. Okay, I know what to do. Okay, I have to catch that in midair. Now, are you ready? You have
Yes.
to time it to catch it because it like launches upward.
Oh.
And now I have to catch it in midair. So you have to tell me around when it's gonna happen. But
Oh, okay. So the reason this is hard, according to TubeWorm, is apparently this is the last level of this chunk.
okay, wait, hold on. So I have to time it so I can catch it in midair. But you have to press the button again because I think it's going downward again. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Press the button real quick.
Okay.
And then I'll go through here and then try and catch. Okay, I'm gonna drop it real quick.
Okay. Do you want me to hold it and you can poke around?
Yeah, sure. Oh, don't hit me with the laser! You big. Why did you do it this way?
What? I fell into the sludge.
Oh.
I was dumb.
Okay, I'll put this down here. We need to get up there.
Yeah, I know exactly what we need to do. I just did it wrong.
Okay, I'll do that. Oh god, the ball! That rolled from so far away! Tell me you saw that. Hi, K-Pamps.
Okay, we'll do this a different way then. You go push button.
Initiative says pair code on an AI to complete Portal 2.
Push button, receive ball.
Okay, I'll push the button. Hold on. Can you push in this game? No, you can't. Okay.
Oh, is there no player collision?
Definitely murder him.
Fuck! Deserve that. We're gonna play vengeful. Here.
Okay.
I will hold the ball so it doesn't fall.
No. Go. Can you make it from there? You can't.
What?
Gotta move it. Okay. Oh
No! Why would it?
I said I had to move it, and then you went through anyway.
I would have been fine.
Okay. So you're dead.
Yeah.
Start over.
We might have to buy ice cream after this.
Yeah. Should I kill him, Chad?
I was almost back. I almost had the solution.
You're doing important science work right now. It's okay to ignore chat. Thanks.
I had the
Important
solution.
science work. What's the solution?
Just let me do.
Okay.
It's gonna go through here. I'm not gonna let you control my destiny.
Oh, there's one down there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a whole set of things over here. I see.
Yeah.
Okay, well that wasn't visible
So now,
first glance.
actually, you need to do this for me. Can you set this up for me? Let me look through so I don't die.
Again, where do you want me to set it up to, though?
Basically where my portals are. Just replace my 2 portals.
Go.
So now... Oh wait, I gotta put this one here first. Now, I can go here. And... Whee!
Okay. And then you can put the portal there so I can walk through. You can shoot a portal where my portal currently is right now, here. And
Yeah.
then then you can just walk me through wherever. Anywhere on your side. Anywhere on your side that has is there a white panel somewhere on your side?
Oh, go,
Like,
go,
right
walk
there?
through. Trust me, walk through.
I'm walking through. Whew, okay. That's actually great. Wait, no, what are you doing? Why did you take me to the entrance? Why are you... Anthony!
Okay, you need to put your yellow portal on top of...
No! You're literally not listening to me. Now I'm back at the beginning. Okay. Ooh, just breathe. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Just listen to me, okay?
You tell me exactly what to do. It's not gonna work.
Okay. I'm gonna walk through, go to the bridge.
Yep.
Okay. You put your portal right here. Okay. And then put yes. Yes. Yes.
And what does this do?
This brings us wait, where's the exit's there, right?
Yeah, we have to launch out of this thing using the start.
Yeah. Oh.
This is literally what I was taking you to do. But you got mad at me and wasn't listening.
Well, I thought the objective was get me up there with you.
No, the objective is beat the level. Win the game. Yes. That doesn't help you.
Okay, that goes to nowhere.
Oh, I know where.
Oh wait, no, do that one. The one that just came down. Okay, perfect. Oh, does that go away? That goes away.
Do you want a ball somehow? I can give you a
Why
ball.
would that be helpful to me?
I can give you a ball. You can put it on the switch.
The ball just disappeared.
You gotta catch the cube. It's gonna come out of that.
I see. Okay, good. Go.
You don't have to sit on the button.
Okay, yeah, good point. Catch the cube.
Touch it a cube.
Oh! Well, that was relatively predictable. Okay.
Maybe.
I think we have to launch at the same time and hit each other in midair.
Oh my god, that's fucking genius.
Yeah, I think we do.
How though? Oh yeah, I know how we can do that. Yeah, that makes sense.
I know how to.
Okay, so.
Okay, I'll do the left side. You do the right side.
Okay.
And then.
I need to set the portals up like almost. Okay, this is gonna be pretty wild.
Okay. How are we gonna do this at the same time? How are you gonna do this? Okay. You do one as you're falling, and then one.
I'm gonna do one to trigger the bridge, and then another one as I'm falling. Okay. You ready?
Yeah, I believe in you.
Bonk.
Oh my god. That was crazy, actually. That was actually really crazy.
Yeah, that one was really cool. Hey, what's up, outdated version? Hello, hello. Oh, I want to make this so I can trigger it from a GitHub action. I didn't learn about this yet. See, GitHub action trigger button. Manual triggers with workflow dispatch. Workflow dispatch. You'll then see a run workflow button in the actions tab. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, let's do this. Workflows. Update.yaml. And then I gotta figure out how GitHub Actions work again. Hey, what's up, Social Avocado? Hello, hello. What am I doing? I'm trying to automate a piece of tedium with my YouTube channel by making a GitHub action that I can trigger from the website, and it'll update a piece of Markdown based on my YouTube channel videos. So I should be able to go to update and run the workflow. Should be able to trigger it. I think we need to go back to this tab and then click on this. And cross your fingers, chat. Press this button and see if it works. I think it should work. But then again, I said that last time I pressed push and
I'm ready. We're ready. I went before you.
Apparently my brother thinks the not like this emote looks like me.
I know that guy. He's a staffer.
Not like this. Any Python testing videos and explains? I believe the first one is. I think this one is. Yeah. Very first one talks about PyTest and testing a command line interface. I need to do more about PyTest, but that one kind of goes over a bunch of different topics. There's also one about parameterize. Yeah. Oh, it's green. It's green. It worked. And then we can look at the diff that it made here. Where is it? Update playlist. Oh, that's so good. Okay, I'm gonna make a link to this in the read.
Okay. So first we're gonna assemble the dry ingredients. In general, when you bake things, you always want to separate out the dry from the wet, the chaff from the wheat, one might say. Oh my god.
What?
With the Snapchat, you look so good.
Yeah.
You look like a hot lady.
Hey there, chat.
Look at this hot lady. Look at this hot lady.
Do you want me to really,
You see it? You see the super hot lady?
There's a like auto Snapchat filter.
Yeah, so on my stream, I have a thing that lets you add filters for money, which no one ever fucking uses.
I think there's a...
Yeah, you can cheer to add filters to my face.
What?
Yeah.
What?
But like, because I have Snapchat video, there's like a default.
Oh.
Make yourself slightly prettier.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
So
It makes your eyelashes longer.
that's why I look... Wait, does it really?
I think so.
Oh my god, it does.
I don't really know.
Why, though?
I don't know.
It's also really hard to see it on myself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's like the default. I don't have a knife.
Anthony's eyes are weirdly blue.
Yeah,
Anthony, are you a seasoned baker?
Not if you would ask Juice, but I probably would have said yes.
I'm like an actual seasoned baker.
Yeah, I'm like a faker.
Yeah, he's a faker. For example, I don't like I've made like kind of hard stuff like pastries and pies and tarts and croissants.
I have 2. Just don't like 2. I like easy stuff. I like cookies.
Oh, yeah. Cookies.
Cookies, basically just cookies.
Brownies.
Brownies.
Mm-hmm.
Breads.
Breads, but like banana breads.
But like cake breads.
See, I make like leavened sourdough breads because I keep a mother yeast at home.
Mother yeast? Are you gonna tell them what your yeast is named?
Oh.
White boy basic relatable. Hey, what's up, Alt 4?
His name is Jack Sauer.
Mm-hmm.
Like Jack Bauer from 24. Agent Jack Sauer. Okay.
What happened?
Anywho.
Didn't you have another one that was named?
I did. What was her fucking name? It's been so long, dude. She died such a long time ago.
Tragedy.
It was a tragedy. Okay. Now we're gonna whisk the dry ingredients together. So whisk.
I know that I've used a whisk on a dry ingredients before.
You just gotta make sure it's well incorporated.
I know.
So it's all like one even kind of tan color, rather than brown and white mixed
Rather
together.
than lumps, the lumps.
Yeah, no rump and rumps. Okay.
I can't say that. Or maybe you can. I
I
can't say that.
Okay, and then once that's a nice sandy color, we're gonna set it aside, and then we're gonna see how bad it is to run the stand mixer in here, and then we're gonna start by moving. We're gonna move the mic to the side, so I think you guys can still hear us, but hopefully we're not gonna be facing the stand mixer itself.
All right, some of the cocoa powders have decided that they want to forever be lumps. So we may just have to be like, okay, and we're gonna mixer this into that, right?
Yeah,
a huge deal,
gradually
but it's-
over time, yeah. No,
Okay,
it's fine. Every once in a while you just end up with giant lumps of raw cocoa powder in your baked goods.
Are you sure we don't want to add some salt to this? Give me content. This is Honey Bunny Beep.
Yes. This is exactly the people we want to attract to his stream. This is 100% who we want to attract to the stream.
Just baked on stream. Okay, so
we have a lot to live up to.
Yeah. Yikes.
So this was a sub goal, in case you're wondering. Wait, can I have consent to touch you there?
Yeah, you can consent.
This is
350.
okay. We're gonna beat the butter and the sugar together, folks. Are you ready? Tell me if it's too loud. Find out. Is that fine? Or is that like super loud? Because we're gonna go a little bit longer, a little bit worse. It's good? Okay. Make it a little louder. For about a minute. Probably like 40 more seconds. Yeah, the RTX is on. Okay. That's good. Yeah, I turned on RTX, so that's probably what's happening. Why are you screaming today?
You saying you did RTX on?
Yeah. And RTX on, and I think it's making a big difference.
Oh, yeah.
But
Yo, that's actually magic. Yeah, that's actual magic. Yeah. Starblam says cleavage on Anthony is too distracting, but in a scary way. Yeah. Let's lean into the camera, chat.
Do you guys think I could get more viewers if I dress like this?
Do you think I would get more viewers if I dressed like this? Hey there, chat. Welcome back to another stream. Hopefully you guys are ready to write some Python today. It should be... No, we're not doing that. Yes to both.
Yes to both.
It's okay. Yeah, I think we might be.
So like 1.5?
Yeah, let's do 1.5. I'll go get a spoon to fix these ones.
These are not very red, guys. These are like Hands down, these are pink velvet cupcakes. These are not red velvet cupcakes.
Yo, I love this phrase here. This is amazing. Once you master the document object model, you can literally code anything.
We're gonna just paint your face.
Nice.
You ready? Honk, 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 honk.
Feels weird.
Does it feel weird?
Yeah, it tickles.
Good. You ready?
Yeah.
That'd be pretty exciting. I'm hilarious.
Yeah.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
You have no idea what you're doing?
I'm just making all this up as I go along.
I thought so, because I've never seen this in any of the makeup tutorials.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Imagine viewers thinking this is real.
Imagine new viewers checking out the stream based on open source Python. Did I forget to change the title?
Open source Python programming. That's
I
what we're doing
mean-
right now, right?
Yeah, this is YAML.
Okay, get close to the camera.
Oh my god, I look so pretty.
Do you?
Hey there,
Damn.
chat.
How many Babby points do I get to spend for a date?
A date with this babe?
Okay, you can go back to programming now.
Okay.
Well, Waves looks pretty good. Waves might be where it's at.
Look at the monkey emotes, those are great.
Does that work?
Portmanteau is a portmanteau with portman and toe.
Bye, chat.
Hello, welcome back, chat. All right, we're gonna wrap up for tonight. But thank you all for stopping by, and we did make it through the 12 hours of stream. Let me do my little spiel, and then if somebody else is streaming, God forbid someone else is streaming, we'll send you guys off to another channel. My name is Anthony, and I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. There's 23 hours left. Yeah, we're not streaming anymore. I stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. You can check out, I'll announce my streams on two places. One of them is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I basically, announce what we're doing and then it ends up happening. And I also mention that on Discord, and you can check out all those links in Twitch chat, Discord, and Twitter. But thank you all for stopping by.